Welcome to my channel, Tale of Tales. Today, we're gonna be seeing the story, The Cleanup Contest. In the town of Sunnyville, there was a time when children were fond of playing, often disregarding the significance of cleanliness and maintaining a tidy environment. One day, they heard about the cleanup contest and got excited. They formed a team and set out to make their town clean and tidy. They picked up trash from the playground, swept the streets, and planted flowers. Their hard work paid off and they won the contest. The town was proud of them and other kids joined too. Together, they made Sunnyville a clean and beautiful place to live, showing everyone the importance of keeping the surroundings clean. Moral of the story was that by working together to keep their surroundings clean, the friends learned the importance of taking care of their community and creating a healthier and happier place to live. From this story, what lesson have you learned, Tejas? Will you make a commitment to keep your surroundings clean and tidy?
Certainly, I am determined to maintain cleanliness in my surroundings.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Enjoy and subscribe to Tale of Tales.